Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Google Ads account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your computer or mobile device. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type ads, Google.com and press enter. Wait for the Google Ads page to fully load before clicking anything. Look for the Sign In button on the top right of the page and click it. On the Google Sign In screen, enter the email address connected to your Google Ads account. Click Next to move to the password step. Type your Google account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Next again to continue. If you see a two-step verification request, open your phone or authentication app to approve the sign-in. Enter the verification code if Google asks you to type it in. If you are on a shared computer, do not check any option that says Stay Signed In. After signing in, you may be asked to choose an account if you manage multiple Google Ads accounts. Select the correct Google Ads account by clicking its name or customer ID. If you are taken to a welcome or setup screen, follow the prompts until you reach the main dashboard. Confirm you are in the right place by looking for the Google Ads logo in the left side navigation menu. If you cannot find your account, click your profile icon in the top right to confirm you are using the correct Google email. If the wrong email is signed in, click Sign Out and repeat the login steps with the correct email. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page and follow the recovery instructions. When recovering access, use the same device and phone number you normally use to speed up verification. If your business uses a manager account, make sure you sign in to the manager email that has access to the client account. Once inside, check the top bar for the account name to ensure you are not in a different profile. For security, review that the URL still shows Google.com and that your browser displays a secure connection. If you get redirected to a blank page, refresh the browser tab or try opening an incognito or private window. If login still fails, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then try again. On mobile, you can also use the Google Ads app and sign in with the same Google account. After you are logged in, bookmark ads, Google.com so you can access it faster next time. Finally, always sign out when using a public device to keep your advertising data safe. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more easy step-by-step Google Ads tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.